In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your payment method for your Facebook Ad Manager account. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the website business.facebook.com and make sure you're signed in to your Facebook account. Then from the left-hand navigation, click on All Tools and then scroll down underneath Manage, select Billing and Payments. Then from the left-hand drop-down, select the account that you want to remove your payment information from. So I'm going to scroll down and select my main Facebook account. Then underneath payment methods, you'll find any cards that are currently linked to your Ad Manager account. And to remove this, all you need to do is click on the 3 horizontal dots and select Remove. When this warning message pops up, just click on Remove. And this is the first place that you'll need to remove your payment information. The next step is to head over to the main Facebook.com website. And then in the top right-hand side, click on your profile icon and select Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings from the list. And from the left-hand side, select Meta Account Center. Then from the left navigation, select Meta Pay. And here is another place that you may want to remove your payment information. So you can see underneath payment methods, I have my card currently linked to it. So I'm going to select it like so. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and just select Remove Card. And then just press Confirm. And just like that, we've now removed our payment information from Facebook Ad Manager. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.